that's the bonus part. Yeah,
for the hotel.
we phone on behalf of the warden, and then now we are the one who wanted the hustlers. Yes, to the police station. No, they were here with Texas. Yeah, they